Welcome to today's video. In the previous video, we looked at how do we calculate or find the circumference of a circle given the diameter, right? And we did so using mathematical principles on the AutoCAD. Perhaps you could visit the video because that video could help you to calculate the circumference without the use of a calculator, okay? And let me know your thoughts about the video. All right. Okay. So in today's video, we'll be looking at cycloid. All right. Now, the first thing that you're going to draw for the cycloid in terms of the drawing would be the circle, the given circle. Okay.
All right, here we have the circle. Right, the next thing we're gonna do now, I'm gonna draw a line that is equal to the circumference of the circle, okay? I made a video not too long ago, today, in fact, showing you how you could calculate the circumference of the circle, given the diameter, right? So maybe you could visit that video if you need to. All right, so this is my circumference of my circle, my given circle. All right, the next step, we're going to divide the circumference, this line, this baseline, into 12 equal parts, okay? All right. After we have the circumference, as I said, we're going to divide the circumference into 12 equal parts, right? So here it is. We have our arcs, 12, and then we have the lines, and we have the line AB divided into 12 equal parts, all right? Then the next step, you're going to carry these lines to the center line drawn, all right? All right, so we're going to draw all of these points from the baseline going toward the center line. So perpendicular, all right, to the center line, to the center line, to the center line. All right, so we draw all of these points to the center line. Now there, and then this will be the last one, which is the 12th division, all right? Good. All right, the next thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna get the circle going to these points, which we projected, right, previously. So we go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Good job. Good job if you're following so far. Okay. All right. Now the next thing that we can do, we can divide the circle into 12 equal parts. All right, so we're going to do that now. Okay, so we have the circle divided into 12 equal parts, right? What we're going to do now, we're going to draw lines from these divisions, yes, going right across, okay? So we have represented 1, then 2, so we're gonna project across the line 2, then the line for 3 is already there. Then we're gonna go the line for 4, then the line for 5, sorry. And then 7, 8, 9, and 10 would be lined up, right? All right, good. Good job if you're following. So, right, so having divided the line and divided the circle and projected the horizontal lines from the circle going across. What we're going to do now, we're going to plot the points, all right? Now, a while ago, I realized that the microphone was on. So what I was saying, I was actually removing the unnecessary lines. And what I was saying is that we want our drawings to look clean in the AutoCAD, right? So the additional lines which are not needed, which are not part of the drawing or construction, I just remove them. All right. So I realized that microphone or the recording wasn't being recorded at the time. All right. All right. So what we're gonna do now, we're going to plot the points. Okay. Is that okay with you? Are you following so far? Good. Good job. All right. So let's plot the points now. So there, there, there. Are you following? All right. Plotting the points. All right. So, so go there, there, there. Intersection of the circle and the horizontal line. Intersection of the circle and the horizontal line. Intersection of the circle and the horizontal line. Intersection of the midpoint. Let's go over. Intersection of the circle and the horizontal line. 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 All right, we are at number 11. I'm going to plot number 11 now. Point 11 is right here. Good. And then the 12 will be right here. Enter. All right. We're going to plot the points. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, back to 1. Good job. All right. So here is our cycloid. Good job. All right. So here is our completed drawing. This is a cycloid. So this brings us to the end of today's video. So in today's video, we looked at the construction of the cycloid. In the next video, we'll be looking at first angle projection. Right. So I look forward to seeing you, and let me know how was the video. Did you find it helpful? All right. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.